Welcome back to Autoland, where we bring you the latest and greatest in the world of automobiles. If you're passionate about cars, SUVs, and everything in between, you're in the right place. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss an update from us. Now, let's dive into the highly anticipated 2026 Isuzu MU-X and see what makes this SUV a strong contender in its segment. The Isuzu MU-X has been a popular choice among SUV enthusiasts for years, known for its rugged build, reliability, and excellent off-road capabilities. The 2026 model takes things to a whole new level with improved design, advanced technology, and even better performance. Isuzu has always focused on practicality and durability, and the latest MU-X continues to follow that philosophy while adding a touch of modern sophistication. The first thing that catches your attention about the new MU-X is its design. Isuzu has refined the exterior with a bolder and more aerodynamic look. The front grille has been redesigned with a more aggressive stance, giving the SUV a commanding road presence. The sleek LED headlights blend seamlessly into the grille, providing not just style but also improved visibility. The bumper is now more sculpted, adding to the overall tough and muscular appeal. From the side, the MU-X retains its strong SUV proportions, but with a few refinements that make it look more dynamic. The character lines are sharper and the wheel arches are more pronounced, giving it a robust look. The 2026 model comes with newly designed alloy wheels ranging from 18 to 20 inches depending on the variant. These wheels not only enhance the appearance but also improve handling and stability. At the rear, the taillights have been redesigned with a more modern LED signature, making the SUV look more premium. The rear bumper is more sculpted, and there's a new spoiler that adds a sporty touch. Overall, the design changes make the new MU-X look fresher and more appealing without losing its rugged identity. Let's talk interior. Step inside and you'll notice a significant upgrade in the interior. Isuzu has worked hard to make the cabin more luxurious and tech-friendly. The dashboard layout is more refined with premium materials used throughout. Soft touch materials, leather upholstery, and metallic accents elevate the overall feel of the cabin. The seats are more comfortable with improved cushioning and support, making long drives a pleasure. The 2026 MU-X comes with a new digital instrument cluster that provides all the necessary driving information in a crisp and clear format. The center console houses a larger touchscreen infotainment system, now measuring up to 12 inches. It supports Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and Isuzu's latest connectivity features. The user interface has been updated for better responsiveness, making it easier to navigate through different functions. One of the standout features in the new MU-X is the enhanced driver assist system. Isuzu has integrated a more advanced suite of safety and assistance technologies, including adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, blind spot monitoring, and automatic emergency braking. These features not only make driving safer, but also add to the convenience, especially on long highway journeys. For those who love off-roading, the 2026 MU-X continues to be a strong performer. It retains its 4x4 capability with improved terrain management systems. The new model features an updated suspension setup that enhances comfort while still maintaining its ruggedness off the road. Whether you're tackling rocky trails, muddy paths, or steep inclines, the MU-X is built to handle it all. Under the hood, the MU-X gets a more refined engine lineup. Depending on the market, it is available with a 3-liter turbo diesel engine and a more fuel-efficient 1.9-liter turbo diesel option. Both engines deliver strong performance with impressive torque figures, making towing and off-roading easier. The engines are paired with a smooth 6-speed or 8-automatic transmission, offering better fuel efficiency and a more refined driving experience. Isuzu has also focused on fuel efficiency, and the 2026 MU-X benefits from improved aerodynamics and a more optimized powertrain. The diesel engines now offer better mileage without compromising on performance. This makes the MU-X a great choice for those who need a powerful SUV but also want to keep fuel costs in check. Another area where the new MU-X shines is ride comfort. The suspension has been tuned to provide a more comfortable ride even on rough roads. Noise insulation has been improved, making the cabin quieter and more refined. Whether you're driving in the city or cruising on the highway, the 2026 MU-XX ensures a smooth and comfortable experience. The cargo space in the MU-X remains impressive, with ample room for luggage, camping gear, or anything else you need to carry. The third-row seats fold down to create a larger cargo area, making it practical for families and adventure seekers alike. Isuzu has also added more smart storage compartments throughout the cabin, ensuring that everything has its place. When it comes to technology, the new MU-X doesn't disappoint. It now comes with wireless charging, multiple USB ports, and a premium sound system for an immersive audio experience. The climate control system has been upgraded for better airflow, ensuring that all passengers stay comfortable no matter the weather outside. Another highlight of the 2026 MU-X is its towing capacity. Thanks to the powerful diesel engines and strong chassis, the MU-X can tow heavy loads with ease. Whether it's a boat, a trailer, or heavy equipment, this SUV is built for the task. The addition of trailer sway control and hill descent control further enhances its capability. Isuzu has also taken safety to the next level with the new MU-X. Apart from the advanced driver assist features, the SUV comes with multiple airbags, electronic stability control, rollover mitigation, and a reinforced body structure for better crash protection. These enhancements make the MU-X one of the safest SUVs in its class. For those who love customization, Isuzu offers various accessory packages for the 2026 MU-X. From off-road kits to premium interior upgrades, there are plenty of options to make your MU-X unique. Whether you want to enhance its rugged look or add more luxury, there's something for everyone. In terms of pricing, the 2026 MU-X remains competitive in its segment. Isuzu has managed to offer all these upgrades while keeping the SUV affordable compared to its rivals. It provides excellent value for money, considering its performance, features, and durability. Overall, the Isuzu MU-X 2026 is a fantastic SUV that combines toughness with modern technology and comfort. It's perfect for families, adventurers, and off-road enthusiasts who need a reliable and capable vehicle. With its refined design, improved performance, and advanced features, the new MU-X is set to impress a wide range of buyers. That wraps up our in-depth look at the 2026 Isuzu MU-X. What do you think of this SUV? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to Autoland for more exciting automotive content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.